Good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 16.1 question number 17. See what is the question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, CO and DO are the bisectors of angle C and angle D. We are given CO and DO are the bisectors of angle C. It means it is making the half of this angle, and this line is also passing through the half of this angle. So name these angles as angle 1 and angle 1. This is angle 2, because these two parts are equal as this is a bisector. We had to prove in this that angle COD, this angle, is equal to half of sum of these two angles. So how we can prove it? See, in quadrilateral ABCD, by angle sum property, we know that sum of four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. After that, on this side you have to keep the angles which are the parts of the angles of triangle. In triangle, angle C and angle D you can see. So you will keep angle C and D on this side, and then 360 transpose these two angles to that side. So this will become minus A and minus B. Then we know that C angle is not the full angle in this triangle. Half of this is the angle of the triangle, because we want to find this angle in the triangle. So we need this angle of triangle and this angle of triangle. These two angles can be calculated by making the half of angle C and D. So for this, we will divide this equation by 2. We will get angle C is half, angle D is half. You will divide both the sides by 2, each and every part by 2. So this will become half of angle C. Half of angle C is 2. Half of angle D is 1, will be equals to 180 minus half of angle A minus half of angle B as it is. Mark this as equation 1. Now see, now we are getting the sum of two angles in the triangle. So we can apply angle sum property on this triangle. In triangle COD, by angle sum property, we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle COD is equal to 180 degree. Sum of these three angles of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now what is the value of angle 1 plus 2? That is 180 minus this. So we can write in the place of this 180 minus A by 2 minus B by 2 plus COD is equal to 180 degree. By using this value, we have written here, we have changed 1 plus 2 by this. Now 180 will be cancelled from both sides. So what is the value of COD? That is, take these to this side, A by 2 plus B by 2, or it can be written as by taking half common as angle A plus angle B. So we have to show this only in the question, that prove that COD is equal to half of angle A plus angle B. Now look at question number 24. Question is PQRSTU is a regular hexagon. Regular hexagon means a figure which is having 6 sides and all the sides are equal and all its interior angles are equal. Find each angle of triangle PQT. We have to find its all the angles. What are its angles? Angle 1, angle 3 plus 6 and angle 5. We have named some angles here, angle 1 to 6. So see, when you join, this is the center point, we have taken O. So when we join this center point with all the vertices, then you can see that there are 6 triangles formed. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 6. So these triangles are equilateral triangles. इनको बोलते हैं equilateral triangles. So we know that in an equilateral triangle, each angle is of 60 degree. Triangle POQ is an equilateral triangle. If this is an equilateral triangle, then angle 1 of this, angle 2 of this and angle 3 of this, each will be of 60 degree. These all angles are of 60 degree measure because this is an equilateral triangle. Now see, angle 2 and angle 4, these are on a straight line. Angle 2 plus angle 4 will be equals to 180 because these are forming a linear pair of angles. Now angle 2 we are given as 60 degree plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So from here you will find that angle 4 is 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree. This angle 4 also we got, that is 120 degree. Now we are left with 5 and 6. Now in triangle POT, OP is equal to OT. If these two sides in this triangle are equal, then opposite to this we have 6 angle and opposite to this we have 5 angle. So angle 5 will be equals to angle 6. If these are equal, we can take that they are equal to x say, because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Then take this triangle. Then in triangle POT, by angle sum property we can write angle 5 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. 5 angle we have taken as x, 6 also x. What is the measure of angle 4? From here we can see that this is 120 degree. So it is equal to 180 degree. From here we get 2x is equal to 180 minus this 120. So 2x is 60 and from here the value of x is 30 degree. It means in triangle PQT, angle of this angle PQT, that is angle 1, so which we got 60 degree. Second angle is angle QTP, this is the second angle of triangle, which is angle 5. Angle 5 we got as 30 degree, this is x is 30, so angle 5 is 30. And last angle is angle TPQ. TPQ is angle 6 plus angle 3. Angle 6 we got 30 degree, 6 is x is 30, and angle 3 we have taken 60 degree, so this becomes 90 degree.